wanted to grow an herb garden this summer, and I saw this Hourleey Strawberry Planter and thought this is the perfect container to grow a variety of herbs right in my backyard. The plastic of the containers are really sturdy, and as you can see, the size is just about perfect for any herb garden. The wheels on the drip tray do have a locking mechanism, so you don't have to worry about it rolling away, and you can easily move it around. Each of the planting containers do have holes in the bottom. You can see the 6 of them right there. So you can water your plants and know that if there's any excess water, it's going to drain through the whole tower. I love that. It also has these screens, and they just fit in the bottom to keep your roots from being directly in any excess water you might have. This was really easy to assemble. It did come with a sheet of instructions, but you can see you just slip each piece onto the pipe and then it's ready to go. It does come with a chain that you can turn it into a hanging container basket. You can see you just slide the chain in the middle. There is a little locking piece to slide on the bottom, and then you've got a hanging basket. You can see quite a bit of the tube sticks out at the end, which is why I planted some marigolds in the top to kind of cover it up as they grow in. The rest I've got seeds in, and I'm ready to go. I just love this little thing.